Let's take a look at this rabbit face paper plate craft, an activity ideal for celebrating the Year of the Rabbit for Chinese New Year or animal topic learning. In this resource you'll find step-by-step instructions to guide you through each stage of the craft along with printable templates. Here's a list of all the supplies you will need to complete this activity. You can pause the video here to go and get your things and press play when you are ready. Step 1. Using the template provided, cut out your shapes for your rabbit's ears. Step 2. Once cut out, glue the pink section of the ear in the middle of the white section. Then glue them in place on top of your paper plate. You can pause the video here to complete these steps and press play when you are ready. Step 3. Using pipe cleaners in a colour of your choice, arrange them in the centre of your paper plate to make the whiskers. Alternatively, you can cut each pipe cleaner in half in order to make it easier to attach to the plate. Add some glue to each pipe cleaner to secure them in place. You can pause the video here to complete these next steps. Step 4. Pop a pom-pom right in the centre to make your rabbit's nose with some glue. Step 5. It's time to bring your rabbit to life. Glue on your googly eyes if you have them, or use a black felt tip pen to add the eyes. And finally, draw on your rabbit's mouth and teeth to complete your face. Finally, step 6. All that's left is to attach your lolly stick to the back of your plate, and there you have your rabbit face paper plate.